Hey guys, it's Vaughn, and today I'm going to bring you guys my wash and go routine. Special thanks to AllThingsHair, Dove, Suave and SheaMoisture for sponsoring today's video. I hope you guys like it. I'm going to show you all of the steps that it took to get to this final result here, starting from dirty hair. I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video how to get the most out of your natural curl pattern. So no matter your hair texture, I believe after you watch this video, you will be able to achieve your best wash and go style yet. Today's video is exciting because I haven't done a wash and go in many years. And I gotta say, I love it. You guys have to tell me what you think down in the comments, but first you have to watch the rest of this video. I know a lot of you guys are doing a lot more DIY hairstyling probably than ever before. So today I'm going to be mixing and matching a couple different hair product lines to bring you guys the ultimate wash day and what I would consider my best wash and go style. This is the current state of my hair. It's been about a week since my last wash day. Hair looking kind of dull. It's moisturized, but it does need a refresh. It needs to become more shiny, and I'm looking to reestablish some elasticity. So let's get started. All right, starting off in the shower where I'm going to begin my shampoo process. Today I'm going to be using this Suave Professional's sulfate-free cleansing shampoo made with natural shea butter and pure coconut oil. I have a few products from this line actually that I've been trying out. I really love this shampoo, you guys, because it is sulfate-free while also creating a really nice creamy lather, doesn't strip the hair. I can also appreciate this pump. This Suave Professional sulfate-free cleansing shampoo infuses the hair with moisture and shine, and you can really tell right when you rinse it out because the hair is absolutely ready to be styled and it does not feel stripped at all, totally moisturized, and that is without adding any product yet. So for this first round of shampooing, I'm just focusing on my scalp a bit and kind of just letting the water run down the length of my hair. And then I'm actually going to shampoo my hair a second time because that second time you always get a lot more lather, so I'm adding some more shampoo there and just applying it to my hair. And as you can see, the lather is like times 10 at this point. For a style like this, I really like to make sure I'm starting off on clean hair because I'm going to be adding quite a bit of product, so I want to make sure I have all that product buildup removed before we get started. And this is my hair fresh out the shower with no product on it. Next, it's time to deep condition. I'm going to use my Dove Amplified Textures Moisture Spa Recovery Mask for coils and curls. This mask is super creamy and it provides nourishment to revive your coils and curls and lets you comb through your hair with ease, which prevents breakage for stronger, healthier hair. This entire line actually has a lot to offer in the conditioning and styling category, so you guys should definitely check them out. Smells amazing and incredibly creamy. This formula is infused with honey and deeply nourishes and cares for all kinds of coils and curls, so it does not matter the hair texture that you have. And the main thing that I noticed about this conditioner is that it had so much slip, you guys. Like almost immediately when it touched my hair, I could feel things getting really detangled and easy to separate. And I decided to finger detangle for conditioning because I'm going to be using a detangling brush a little later in the process. This is definitely one of the most slippery conditioning masks that I've ever used. You guys are going to love this stuff. And just as an update, my hair actually stayed detangled until my next wash day. I was not at all expecting that. So here we are, all done with that one side. I'm just going to clip it and we're going to work on this other side, but we're going to do it quickly though. Come on now, y'all know that's how I like it. All right, now that we have all the hair detangled with the conditioner on it, we're going to let it sit for 20 minutes and then we're going to come back and rinse it off. Now here we are, all rinsed off. Now my hair is super moisturized and ready to receive styling products. I'm really happy about the state of my hair at this moment, and we're going to work in halfsies. So I'm going to work this side first. I'm going to layer in first my Dove Amplified Textures Twist In Moisture Shaping Buttercream for coils and curls. Top of that, I'm going to use my Dove Amplified Textures Shine and Moisture Finishing Gel. This formula is so lightweight, you guys, and it doubles as a styler or a finishing gel. It leaves hair defined and moisturized with less frizz. And I love this pump. And as for my finisher today, I'm using my SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. When it comes to any kind of wet styling, anti-frizz is the name of the game. And SheaMoisture has always been one of my all-time favorites for that. This coconut and hibiscus line offers an assortment of moisturizing and conditioning products for curly hair. Definitely give it a try if you have not already. Now I got my spray bottle right here all set to go just in case my hair starts to lose any water. And we're gonna start layering on products. Starting off with a generous amount of that Dove Amplified Textures Twist In Moisture Shaping Butter Cream. I'm gonna use a few different methods for defining my curls today. I'm gonna start off by finger detangling, and then I'm gonna finish up using the praying hands to remove any excess product. product. Next, I'm going to use my detangling brush tool to make sure that my hair is tangle free, and then as my last layer, I'm adding on that gel. This gel is really moisturizing, you guys. It's alcohol free and it contains aloe, which works to reduce frizz and hydrate curls. I was pretty generous with this gel because it was very easy to trust it on my hair, and it provided so much shine. I really didn't need like a sheen spray or anything after this. And here I'm just repeating those steps all over my head in medium to large sections. And like I always say, if you want really good results, do not take a robotic approach with this. Every curl needs your attention. If you see an area where curls need to be more defined, definitely go in and address it. So yeah, final step, this Hold and Shine Moisture Mist by SheaMoisture. Just spraying it all over and working it in to those areas, especially where my hair is more prone to frizz, like the top of my hair. And here you guys see me kind of going in and creating more definition with some of those curls that are not as defined as others, because it's going to be a lot easier to fix this problem while my hair is wet than to wait for it to dry. And to do that, I am just chunking the hair back together using my fingers. This is the best way for me to get defined curls with my hair texture. Now that I've finished the other half, I'm just going to generously spray all over that SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. You can definitely use this product to maintain your wash and go style like on a regular, but for me, it works best when my hair is wet. Here I am about an hour later and my hair is mostly dry, right? There is a little bit of dampness at the root, but I'm gonna show you guys how we address that. I'm reaching for my handheld blow dryer and I'm going to put it on a cool setting and focus on holding the hair taut and applying some of that blow dryer air to the complete shaft of my hair, focusing on the roots. This method is going to help my hair to dry completely, but also is going to stretch my hair. But the trick here is that you want to hold on to the curls at the end. You want to stretch the shaft of the hair, but you do not want to interfere, manipulate, do anything to disturb that curl pattern on the end, because that's what's going to keep the curly wash and go look. If you destroy those ends, it's going to look like a hot mess or a cool mess since you had it on the cool setting. You also want to be really careful with how you separate each of these sections, because the whole point of this, you guys, is to stretch intact curls. This will not work if your curls are not intact. Also, this is an old trick. This is not a new method. You'll also find a lot of girls like to use a diffuser when they're doing this method. For me, this is the cheat code. This is a very quick way to get this done from start to finish, you guys. This probably took me maybe an hour. So you know me, I'm all about the quick hairstyles. So yeah, I pretty much just repeated the process all over. Now, when we get to the front, because my curls are a lot weaker right there, I just want to hit it with the blow dryer only a few seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and just separate those curls just to make them look like the curls that are all over the rest of my head. Once I finish the front, I'm pretty much done with this style. I just love how quick this was and how moisturized and shiny my hair is. My favorite part about this style is that I get to experience my natural curl without the shrinkage. As the final step, you could grab a pick and pick at the roots a bit just to add some more volume. I kept the picking to a minimum because I didn't want to comb out the curls as much, because the style won't last as long when you do that. Definitely wanted to keep some definition intact for later, as I'm trying to wear the style for at least a couple days. And at the looks of things, I think we will be able to pull that right on off. I am just really loving the movement with this hairdo, you guys. You gotta tell me what you think, but I am feeling it and I'm loving the shine and definition most of all. Now let's talk quickly about overnight hair care. So here's how I'm preparing my hair for bed. I'm just going to use a very gentle ouchless hair tie, one of my comfiest ones. I recommend you do the same, and I'm just going to pineapple my hair. If you did your baby hairs, you can go ahead and tie a scarf around your edges just to keep those intact. It's also going to help keep your scarf in place, or your bonnet, which is what I'm wearing here. Whatever you do, just remember the style lives in the ends of your hair. As long as you keep those ends intact, you're good to go. Here's my hair the next day. I want to show you guys how I kind of refresh it and get it back alive. I think with this style overnight, all you need to know is that you don't need to try and twist it or anything, because you're going to redefine your curls. You're going to give it a whole new curl pattern. So whatever you do, just go with it in its natural state. Trust me, we'll be able to get it back looking good. It's just going to take a little while, but we're going to start by taking that hair tie off and just kind of separating those curls, trying our best not to create any unnecessary frizz. And I think the most important thing to remember is that most of your curls will be intact, right? You will have some that will have flattened and gotten a little weaker or whatever, but for the most part, you'll have areas where there will be definition. Take that and run with it. I just love how natural and easygoing my hair looks the next day. so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like my hairdo. I hope I gave you guys some useful tips that you can use for your hair. And before you go, make sure you guys check out AllThingsHair.com or AllThingsHair right here on YouTube for more tips, tricks, and hacks all about hair. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.